Good morning. Myself Prabha Anze, working as an assistant professor in EC department at SNS College of Technology. In this lecture video, we are going to discuss about the design thinking based adaptive filter design. Design thinking is a human-centered approach to problem solving that involves understanding user needs, redefining problem, and creating innovative solutions through iterative prototyping and testing. When applying design thinking to the design of an adaptive filter, the focus is on ensuring the filter meets and end users needs and adapt to changing condition or input effectively. Here's how you can use design thinking to design an adaptive filter. Let you start discussion.
Hello everyone, today I am here to speak about the title Design Thinking on Adaptive Filters. Before getting into the title, we will see first what is design thinking. Design thinking is an user centric approach where we will think from the user's perspective and we will satisfy their needs and requirements by using innovative ideas and solutions. Most of the people think we use design thinking only for the professional purpose, but not like that. We can also use design thinking for our personal growth. So we will see design thinking on adaptive filters. So while speaking about design thinking, we have 5 stages in it. So the first stage is empathize, second define, third ideate, 4 prototype and 5 testing. So first, what is empathize? So in case of adaptive filters, we will see who are the most of the audience who using adaptive filters, and we will ask what kind of adaptive filters you need and what are the benefits you need. We will empathize from the people like what is the best adaptive filters according to you, what are the qualities you need for the best adaptive filters, and we will record everything. For example, in case we need best noise cancellation adaptive filters, so in this case we will use audio engineers because they are the people who mostly use adaptive filters. We go to them and get data. So how these adaptive filters work, how the efficiency of this noise cancellation. After seeing this, we will get every data and observe them, and we will have it as a record. This is the way empathize works.
I am going to explain about the design for the design thinking based design of adaptive filters. First is synthesis finding. Combine the insight gathered during the emphasis phase to identify the core problem of the user while using the current filter solution. Then user persona. Create a detailed user persona to represent the different types of users and their needs. Then problem statement. Craft a clear problem statement to solve their problems. For example, data scientists need a way of dynamically streaming a data that can adjust in real timing to change the input characteristic. I am going to explain the define part for the design of adaptive noise cancellation filter. The problem statement is user need a adaptive noise cancellation filter that adapts in real time to a different environment, ensuring optimal audio quality without any manual or manual adjustments.
I'm going to explain the idea part of this session. The first step is brainstorming. In brainstorming, the first step is generating ideas. Discuss with your diverse team to get as much idea as possible to get a proper idea from others. The second one is sketch concept. From the various ideas, create a diagram of using various technologies like, for example, you implement in artificial intelligence or machine learning based noise cancellation or parameters based noise cancellations. The third step is evaluate ideas. Access the among these ideas you have generated, check for what are the feasibility or efficient and got minimum cost by implementing these ideas. From this, narrow down to one feasible and most promising idea. I'm going to explain the idea part of this project. brainstorming session. Generate as much ideas as possible using the machine learning to predict the adaptive filters. Either either adaptive filter algorithms written by a firm or getting feedbacks from the people around us. The next steps is sketch concept. After the discover the best idea, sketch your rough diagram of your concept, how it works, how the things should be, and how it should go, including the data flow and the machine algorithms, etc.
Hello everyone. I am going to say about prototype. In prototype, there are developed prototypes. So first, we need to create low fidelity prototype. It is to develop simple prototypes such as mockups or wireframes. Next is to build high fidelity prototypes. In this, once a concept is validated, we need to create a more detailed and functional prototype. Next is simulate real conditions. By testing the prototype under conditions that mimic real world scenarios to see how well it adapts to changing inputs. Next is the prototype. In low fidelity, we need to develop simple mock-up of noise cancellation system using basic fidelity functions. And next is to build high fidelity. In this, we need to build a functional prototype with real-time noise adaptations using a feedback microphone and adaptive filtering algorithms.
Now we are going to see about the testing part of this case study. So at first, what is testing? The testing stage of the design thinking process helps product, design and development terms evaluate their concepts and prototypes for a solution. It's an experimental and often repeated stage that creates opportunities to see how customers interact with solutions in real life. So this process may conduct in few steps. The first step is gather feedback. Have real users interact with the prototype and provide feedback on its performance, usability, and adaptability. After that, iterate. Use the feedback to make improvements to the filter. This might involve tweaking the algorithm, improving the user interface, or adding new features. After that, measure performance. Quantitatively measure how well the adaptive filter performs compared to existing solutions. Metrics could include accuracy, speed, and resource consumption. So, in this case study, in this project, the user testings are have user test the prototype in different noise environment and gather their feedback. And the iterative processes improve the filter based on our feedback and performance metric. So that's all about the testing part.
The conclusion of this topic is by following these design thinking steps, you can develop an adaptive filter that is user centered, highly functional, and capable of meeting the dynamic needs of its users. Thank you.